Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a game that you can play with someone at your house with things that you have in your kitchen and maybe a hallway closet. So you're going to need the lid of like a peanut butter container or some other kind of plastic lid, sour cream, anything like that. You're going to need 2 plastic cups and you're going to need 2 bath towels. So first, you're going to unfold the bath towels long way and then just kind of roll them up. Okay, like that. And then we're going to use the tabletop as the game. It's kind of going to be, if you ever play air hockey, that's going to be a version of air hockey that you can play at home. So we're going to put the, these are going to be like the bumpers to keep the lid from coming off of the table. And this will be your slider to push the puck across the table, okay? So we will try the game out.
Ladies first.
Okay, so basically you're trying to shoot your lid off of the table past your opponent to get a point.
Not gonna happen.
Okay, here we go. Do I have to say 3?
No, you
3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Oh, and Mrs. Harris for the win. Alright guys, hope you try it out. Have fun. Bye.